Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unmotivated at work? Are you a busy professional struggling to find healthy, quick meals that actually fuel your day? If this question related you, then you come right place. Time is precious, especially for busy professionals. This video provides simple and effective food hacks to fuel your day, helping you stay healthy and energized even with a packed schedule. We seem to be all about the grind these days. Life is all about deadlines, back-to-back meetings, and never-ending progress. It's simple to overlook the tiny things, which can cause balanced eating to suffer. However, the fact is that strict restrictions and complicated meal preparation are not necessary to achieve your health goals. The good news is that you can start eating better without completely altering your way of life. By adding a few simple, practical eating habits to your arsenal, you may significantly alter your perspective on food without adding to your already hectic schedule. I told you staying healthy doesn't mean meal prepping for hours or giving up flavor. Let's break down simple, time-saving food hacks made for busy professionals like you. We will go over 10 doable strategies today to help you remain on course and get through the day without losing your mind. 1. Prep smart, not hard. Start with a power move. Prep your ingredients, not entire meals. Chop veggies, boil some eggs, and portion snacks in advance. Now, when you're starving between Zoom calls, healthy choices are just a grab away. 2. Go-to grocery shortcuts. Stock up on healthy shortcuts. Think rotisserie chicken, bagged salads, frozen mixed veggies, pre-cooked quinoa boom, meals in minutes. No time? No problem. 3. Master the 5-minute meal. Build a 5-minute meal formula. Protein plus fiber plus healthy fat. Wraps, bowls, smoothies, done. Your body gets what it needs, and your schedule stays intact. 4. Snack smarter. Say goodbye to vending machine regret. Keep healthy snacks within arm's reach. Nuts, Greek yogurt, apple slices with peanut butter. Prepare snacks in advance to avoid the temptation of going to the vending machine. Always have healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, or whole grain crackers handy. 5. Avoid sugary drinks and snacks. Steer clear of high-calorie beverages like sodas and energy drinks in favor of healthier options like sparkling water, unsweetened tea, or just black coffee. Try a piece of dark chocolate, which contains more antioxidants and less sugar than milk chocolate, or natural sugar sources like fruit if you're craving something sweet. To assist your taste receptors adjust to this over time, gradually cut back on the sugar in coffee or tea. 6. Outsmart takeout. Ordering out? Make smarter swaps. Choose grilled over fried, skip sugary drinks, add veggies whenever possible. Even takeout can fuel you right with a little tweaking. Eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. With the right hacks, you can save time, eat better, and feel great even on your busiest days. 7. Batch breakfasts. Mornings are rushed, so prep breakfast once for the week. Try overnight oats, egg muffins, or smoothie freezer bags you just blend and go. 8. Hydration hack. Tired? Headaches? Often, you're just dehydrated. Keep a water bottle at your desk and aim to sip consistently, not just when you're thirsty. 9. Control portion sizes. You'll be shocked at how easy portion management may be if you attempt eating from smaller plates or bowls. The brain may be tricked into believing it is getting sufficiently full when it has really ingested less food if supper is served on smaller plates. When dining out, think about sharing a meal with a coworker or putting half of it away for another time. A healthy serving size is sometimes doubled or even tripled in many restaurants. To avoid mindlessly ingesting big servings of food like popcorn, chips, or almonds, measure them. 10. Use tech to your advantage. Let your phone do the work. Use apps for healthy meal planning, shopping lists, or even smart delivery services that offer clean meals. Quick shots of all tips in action: water bottle, fast meals, snacks in a drawer, app open, smoothie being blended. Small changes, big difference. You've got the hustle, now you've got the hacks to fuel it. Even the busiest professionals don't have to struggle to eat healthily. Whether it's meal planning or drinking plenty of water throughout the day, you may start small and work your way up from there. You'll increase your energy levels, productivity, and general well-being in both your personal and professional life by adopting these healthy eating practices. You may invest in your success by taking care of your health. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips that fit your busy life. See you next time.